Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well out there. And I'm not sure exactly when you're going to see this, but we want to do another large sign carvers of the day because it's been, by the time you see this, it's been way over a month. And I like to do them every 2 to 3 weeks, so we're running behind. Most of these are from May. Anyway, so let's jump right into it. Let's get started. I'm sure there's something else I could say, but let's just get into it. So Smith made him. So this is called Kaptala wood, and I've never heard of it before, and I'm not sure if this is domestic or foreign, but he made this for his wife. This is his very first sign. Made this for his wife for Mother's Day. Now he has a lot of other people that want him to make clocks. So pretty darn cool. Great job, Smith. Steve Busby. So this one is, I thought this one was really cool. I love the color. Great job, Steve. I love it. And the Jeep niche, there's a lot of off-roaders out there, Jeeps, that you could probably sell a lot of those. Great job, Steve. Michelle Schuler. Nice, 4th of July. So right on time. Look at that. That is beautiful. Love all the colors. Great job, Michelle. Love it. Corey Gies. This is a road sign and made out of aromatic cedar. Look at that.
That's gorgeous.
That's really, really cool. So that's going to go by the side of the road, evidently. Beautiful work, Corey. Mario Vasquez. I think we're going to see him in Texas. 9x9 laminated cedar. Got the Freedom Eagle going on there. Great job, Mario. Good work. Beautiful. Ken Grady. This one was cool. I love the saying. Nice job, Ken. Beautiful work. I love the artwork. That's kind of neat how you added the fishing rod and the deer antlers down there. Good job, Ken. David Cardio in Australia. So David said our videos encouraged him to work with his dad. This sign was a collaboration between him and his dad. His dad did the bowl and the painting. The sign was for a cousin's farm. Australian red cedar and inlay of camphor laurel. I think that's what the cow is made of. That is just stunning. Beautiful work, David. And please tell your father I said the same. Beautiful work. Love it. Jim, this one you can't really see very well, but it's just because the sign has that rustic look. Jim Arabito, I think. Second sign, 9x18.5, and this is an old piece of scrap pine. Kind of a cool antique look to it. Good job, Jim. Sherry Mauch. Growth charts. These things are super popular. There's a lot of people making them, but that's because there's a lot of call for them. So it looks like maple. Sherry didn't tell me, but that's what it looks like to me. Anyway, great job, Sherry. Well done. Lou. I'm not even going to try and pronounce his last name. I don't want to butcher it. So this is for his son and his niece graduating from North Carolina State.
Very cool.
Well done, Lou. Very nice. Jeff Van Sickler. This one's really cool. This is his 4th sign, and the rat fink was for his uncle's shop. His uncle has a repair shop. Jeff's wife did the layout, and so the knots were in the eyes to look bloodshot.
Oh, very cool.
That's pretty cool. So the bloodshot eyes are actually knots in the board. Anyway, that's considered the rat fink, and that is fairly famous with old hot rodders and rat rodders. Great job, Jeff. John Coonrat. So this is a tribute to John Prine, who passed away in April. And John Prine is kind of he's a musician and a very famous artist, but has kind of a cult following. Anyway, great job, John. I think this is the cover to one of his albums, if I remember right. Good job, John. Jason Lundy. Look at that. That is so cool. Love it.
I like that.
Beautiful. I love that. Great job, Jason. John Arend. Hey, buddy. He's, John loves to cut outset letters. John and Jennifer were here visiting us early last year. Oh, well, was it last year? Maybe it was early this year.
I think it was early
Yeah.
this year.
This is a piece of driftwood from Lake Erie. Great job, John. All right, now we're going the other direction. Jeff Dale.
Very cool.
Really, really well done. I love the design, the color. Great job, Jeff. Beautiful work, buddy. John Kearsey. And so he made his own barrel top from white oak. So it's made to look like an oak barrel top. Has made around 10 of these so far for his customers. So he uses the DeWalt cordless and our bits to do all of his stuff.
Very nice.
Anyway, well done. Gosh, Josh, super fine detail in there. Great job, buddy. Scott Christian, he's our buddy down in Phoenix. So he is still at it and making, now he's adding some clocks to his signs. And I think he's still selling at flea markets and stuff down there. Keep up the great work, Scott. Tessa Mathis, beautiful walnut. And
I like that font.
yeah, she used a carving liner. That is a really cool font. That really is nice and readable. There's a lot of script fonts that don't look good, but this one definitely does. Great job, Tessa. Doug Powell. It's our buddy up north that does the rescue. Res Dog Rescue. Anyway,
Still, I'm gonna try
yeah, I'm trying to. Beautiful work. Doug, your signs are looking better all the time, man.
So that's John Wayne, Jesus, and who's the other guy on there?
I can't tell without turning it around. I don't know.
Okay.
Don't know. If it was blown up, I might be able to tell. Curtis Bailey, wedding gift for some friends, and he used cherry and maple.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Very nicely done, Curtis. Good job. And Stephen Easton, very first sign. I've talked to Stephen quite a few times. Emailed quite a bit. Very nice for your first sign, Stephen. Great job, man. Very nice. Here's another first sign. FD Coulter. I'm not Cloutier. Gosh, I'm not doing well on my names today. Anyway, I apologize, FD. Very first sign, and he used maple.
Wow, that's really straight line.
Yeah, very nice lines. For your first sign, great job. Beautiful. This one is just outstanding. Ron and Laura Allison. Laura's quitting her job, and her and Ron are going full-time on the sign business. This is for a car show in June. Laura and Ron do these together. Is that spectacular or what? Man.
That's on a live edge slab, a cookie.
Yeah, it sure looks like it. Wow. Well, I'm excited for you guys going full time. Keep making signs like that, getting them in front of people, and good things will happen. Congratulations, you guys. Skylar Johnson, some of his first signs. I've emailed with Skylar many times. He's one of those guys that asks a lot of questions, which I love, and they're all great questions. So keep those questions coming, guys. Don't be afraid to ask. I'm always here to help. Great job, Skylar. Love it. Larry Delgado, first sign. Now this one's hard to tell what it is, but he made this for his girlfriend's garden for Mother's Day. And I think it's a great idea. So each one of those is a little vegetable or whatever is growing in that lane there. I guess you don't call those lanes. Aisles. I don't know. What do you call those? Rows. Yeah, rows. That's what they're called. Great job, Larry. Love it. Kenneth Scott. Really cool looking sign. He kind of cut off. The picture was kind of cut off at the ends, but very nicely done. And that style of letter is very forgiving. So if you guys are looking, just starting out, if you pick that style of letter, they're very forgiving and they still look great, even if you're not right on the line. But Kenneth did a great job on this. Love it. Richie Barclay from New Zealand. So he used New Zealand pine, carving liner, profile bit, and a 90 degree. I love the shape of the outset. That's really cool. Very unique. I love it, Richie. Great job, bud. Glenn Shriver. Shrivner, excuse me. So I don't have any particular notes on this, but my hunch is that that's a niche that I've talked a lot about for towns that are big in sports. So great job on that. It looks beautiful. Really well done, Glenn. I bet you could sell a lot of those. Dave Leisure. Small tree identification signs for around his forest. So he's just making these signs to show what kind of trees are growing around his place.
That's a good idea.
Very nice. Very nicely done. Great job, Dave. Roy Smith. Last but not least. All red cedar. Used the carving liner, the profile bit, and the spirals. Beautiful work. Love it, Roy. Again, the flags are very popular, and I love to see that. Great job, Roy. Well, that is it, boys and girls. I think there's 30 of them there, and we've got a lot more to do, but I'll probably try and do a Sign Carvers of the Day every 2 to 3 weeks. We went like over a month this time, but we've had so many projects going on, as you guys know. So when you're seeing this, we might be coming back from Texas, or we might be in Texas. I'm not sure. But if you guys come down to Texas, we hope to get a chance to meet you. I know a couple of you in here that I think are from Texas, and we'll meet you down there. So anyway, guys, thanks again so much. So if you want to send me Sign Carvers of the Day, please email them to me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you want to see a bunch of these that are already done, like hundreds, go to the website, makeawoodsign.com, and over on the left-hand side, well, your left-hand side would be this side, and you'll see, or maybe, yeah, I think over on the left-hand side, you'll see something that says Sign Carvers of the Day. If you click on that, it goes to my Google Photos, and there's hundreds of Sign Carvers of the Day in there, and lots of inspiration and motivation. I look in there quite often because there's so many cool signs in there. So again, guys, thank you so much. Please comment on this video. We get more ratings in YouTube if you do that, and please like and share with anybody that you think this might be useful for you and our content. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. We love you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.